Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make focaccia bread with sourdough. First, ensure your sourdough starter is active and ready to use, which means it should be bubbly and vigorous. Feed your starter about 4 to 8 hours before you plan to mix your dough, using equal parts flour and water. A well-fed starter will double in size and pass the float test, indicating it has peak leavening power for a light, airy focaccia. This readiness is crucial for achieving the perfect texture. Next, combine 350 grams of strong bread flour, 280 grams of warm water, and 75 grams of active sourdough starter in a large bowl. Mix these ingredients until no dry flour remains, forming a shaggy dough. Let this mixture rest for 30 minutes, allowing the flour to fully hydrate. Then, add 10 grams of fine sea salt and 30 grams of olive oil, gently mixing until the oil is incorporated and the dough feels cohesive. Now begin the bulk fermentation process, which typically lasts for about 3 to 4 hours at a room temperature of around 75 degrees Fahrenheit. During this time, perform 3 sets of stretch and folds, spaced 30 minutes apart. Gently stretch the dough from the sides, folding it over itself, and then rotating the bowl. This action builds strength and structure in the dough, developing that essential bubbly texture. After bulk fermentation, gently pour 20 to 30 grams of olive oil into a 9-inch by 13-inch baking pan, ensuring the entire bottom is well coated. Carefully transfer your dough into the prepared pan, allowing it to relax and spread naturally. Gently stretch the dough to fill the corners of the pan, being careful not to deflate it. Now, let it proof for another 2 to 3 hours at room temperature, until visibly puffy and airy, preparing it for the oven.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.